Welcome to Amigo's Cook Room. Today we will be preparing Khaman Dhokla. Dhokla, being one of the most famous dish of the Gujarati cuisine, has received love from people from all over the country. Now this dhokla has three major variants: the Khatta Dhokla, the Khaman Dhokla and the Rava Dhokla. So today let's see how to prepare Khaman Dhokla. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates on our every upload. Stay with us till the end for some important tips regarding this recipe. Now let's check with the ingredients. For making the dhokla we need 1 cup of gram flour or besan, ginger and green chili paste, 2 teaspoons of sugar, half a cup of regular curd, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a packet of ENO, water to make the batter and some white oil. For tempering you need few mustard seeds, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 4 to 6 green chilies, 1/3 cup of sugar, a pinch of asafoetida or hing and a cup of water. Now let's start with the procedure. In a mixing bowl, take a cup of gram flour. To it add a pinch of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of salt, two teaspoons of sugar. Since I had some leftover powdered sugar, I used it over here. 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of ginger and green chili paste, half cup of curd, around 2 teaspoons of white oil. Here oil helps in binding the gram flour with rest of the ingredients. Now slowly add water and immediately start mixing it so that there remain no lumps. The fluffiness of your dhokla depends on how well you mix and churn your batter. The more you will mix it and the more you will beat it, the more spongy your dhokla will become. I suggest to constantly and rigorously mix the batter for around 10 minutes. If you feel, you can add some more water to make the perfect consistency. Now cover and rest the batter for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now meanwhile, let's prepare the tempering. For that, heat some oil in a pan. Add around half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and fry till it crackles. To it add the curry leaves and also add the green chilies and fry them well. Now add 1 cup of water and bring it to boil for 2 minutes. Now add 1/3 cup of sugar. Okay, here I'm sorry, I forgot to take the video of adding the sugar. Mix it for a minute till the sugar melts and the rawness of the chilies are gone. Here add around 1/3 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and give a final mix. Once done, turn off the flame and keep the tempering aside. Going back to the dhokla batter, grease a mold or a micro-oven proof glass bowl with some oil. Now lightly mix the batter once again. And add the ENO salt. Remember, after adding the ENO, you can't mix it hard because the batter will start rising. Now add around half a teaspoon of water over the ENO and immediately give a gentle mix only in one direction. Now without resting, instantly transfer the batter to the mold. Now prepare the dhokla at highest temperature on microwave or power level mode for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, take out the dhokla and check it with a toothpick or a skewer. and my dhokla base is ready. Without wasting time, transfer the dhokla to a plate and cut it as per your choice. Now slowly put the tempering over the dhokla. It is better to do the tempering when the dhoklas are still hot, because at that time it easily absorbs the tempering and therefore it will make the dhokla more soft and tasty. Khaman dhokla is ready to be served. Enjoy it with your favorite imli or pudina chutney. Now here goes some tips. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.